Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to stop friend request on Facebook. What you need to do, just go to Facebook and log in your account and then click here, then setting and privacy. After that, settings, and click here, privacy, and then just scroll down and you will see here how people find and contact you. The first one, who can send you friend request. Here I have everyone. Just click here, edit, and then choose friends of friends. That will limit the people who can send you friend requests. This is what you need to do if you want to stop friend requests on Facebook. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.